Hey everybody, it's Motor Monday, and I'm here today with a book club recommendation. So, this is not a book that's typically or specifically geared towards occupational therapists, but I think it's a great book for any adult who likes to learn, who's always looking for self improvement. It's pretty much a self improvement book, but it's called The Gap and the Gain. And I have to say, I really, really liked this book. I listened to it on Audible. I love to listen to books because I'm in the car a lot driving to and from work, and I feel like I'm accomplishing something or learning something or even having enjoyment. And if I listen to like a story, but this book I did grab because it was recommended by Amy Porterfield, who's someone that I love to follow and whose podcasts I love to listen to. She recommended it highly. So I started working through it and I just really loved it. It's all about positive mindset. And I think it's very easy with the bad news and with things that are going on in our lives to get caught up in it and get into a funk and concentrate on the things that aren't exactly the way we want them to be. But this book really helps you lift out of that and focus on the positive things that are going on in your life. And I've found if you have been following me for a while, you know that I just finished treatment for breast cancer. There's a lot of stuff like that. It's easy to get down in the dumps. But with this book, I just felt like it really helped me shift my mindset and focus on all the wonderful, amazing blessings that I have in my life. So I just want to recommend this book, The Gap and the Gain. It is by Dan Sullivan and Dr. Benjamin Hardy. I would recommend reading the book rather than listening to it if you can. The actual concept of the book was amazing. So, highly recommend. If you need a good book, go for it. The Gap and the Gain.